Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. Today I'm at an undisclosed location, and as you can see, we got concrete cutting going on. And this is massive concrete cutting. You can see that it's over a 1 foot thick. I would say 16 inches thick. And they're gonna make a big hole in the floor with that machine right there. So our dilemma is, how are we gonna get a lift to replace that pipe? Always something, but we can do it. If they can do it, we can do it. Let's watch this thing fire up. Sawcrete cutting at its finest. And it's loud. Here we go. Pretty neat. Cut. Well, it is apparent that these men have their job cut out for them. Literally cut out. This job is about moving concrete all day. So there's a line of people that come in and out with their dollies. And he'll come over here and he'll pick up one slab. This man, he has to jack out what won't be cut out. His job is hard. That's because that stuff's not coming out. Anyway, here we go. Cut. You can see down in the garage below. Here you go. Here's how they do it. This is his job all day long. To pick up concrete and move it. Not a very glamorous job. Either is that. As you can see, that the garage is down there. About 20 feet. Alright. You can see that you don't want to drop that block like that. There's definitely a skill into picking this up. You can see he's struggling right now with that. Watch him, watch him. Flip it. Oh yeah. So there is. That guy helped him out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just that easy. So where it goes, we'll follow him out and show you how they get rid of it. All right. Let's get out of here. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, my back.